We are or will be going through the most radical transformation the world has ever seen. People are just terrified, excited, depressed, heartbroken, and hopeful all at once. As the outbreak of novel coronavirus has created an unprecedented situation around the world. This is the first viral outbreak of the nature. This outbreak has forced us to keep a respectful distance from others. Good morning to respected principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. This is Myra from class 8th, and I am going to present my views on the topic Corona Curse for School Students. No one knows how long the schools will stay closed, but we continued our study with the limited resources we have. We are benefiting online alternatives to provide education. Certainly, the theoretical material is imparted on time to students, but overall development of students is missing here. Online education is not able to provide for everything. This is affecting the eyes of students due to long hours in front of the blue screen. Things are fine for students whose families can afford a laptop or a smartphone along with the monthly expense of plus. But lots of poor students do not have access to laptops and computers. Future of such students are left in doldrums, and there are no indications as to when things will return to normal. Surely, Corona is curse for school students. There are no exams. Students are being given marks by the intervals, which may impact their career. Really, we are missing the days in the schools. This situation has never arrived in my known history. No one knows how long the schools will stay closed, and this is a big challenge for every student. We have to show discipline towards our study, as there is no one to check how much knowledge we are gaining. We can try to shape each day to be positive, creative, and rewarding. William Shakespeare quote reminds us that our potential is finite. For everyone, first is good health and then good education. Thank you. Have a nice day.